Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to write a YouTube video script. YouTube is highly competitive. To get as many views as possible for your content, you need to produce strong and competitive videos that grab and hold attention for as long as possible. That means having a killer script for every video you produce, even for short explainer videos. Script eliminate the guesswork associated with creating effective videos. They also help you from and deliver to cohesive story, one that supports your video marketing strategy. If you struggle to produce videos that generate healthy watch time, comments, likes and shares, this video is for you. I will share 6 most important tips to help you create well structured and effective YouTube video scripts. Now let's get started. Number 1 tip is identify and define your topic. Writing a killer YouTube script starts with identifying a topic that will resonate with your audience. The easiest and most effective way of ensuring that your topic matters to your target audience is by turning to the problem, challenges, and aspirations they have related to finding a solution like yours. Flesh it out. With your new topic established, unpack it by thinking of all of the ideas associated with your topic. Ask yourself questions about the before and after stage of your audience when dealing with a specific problem or challenge. Prioritize and define. Think about what you want your audience to gain from your video. Is there one or a set of actionable tips you want to share? Once you determine which ideas fit well together, focus on just those. Anything else that seems slightly beyond what your audience will see as relevant will likely work better in a separate video altogether. The second tip, grab attention immediately. Most YouTubers understand that grabbing an audience attention immediately is critical, but few know how to do it well. The smartest and easiest way to hook your audience from the very start is by introducing a statement or posing a question that is either shocking or designed to pique interest. Brain Dean is one of the most popular SEO experts today. He has generated a large following with these actionable and highly well effective tips on how to rank high in search engines. The third tip is address a problem and give it context. You have managed to capture your audience attention by highlighting a problem. Now it's time to establish an emotional connection. Identify a pain point and then a solution with a positive outcome. Show your audience that the information you have to share is truly valuable. In Dean SEO checklist video, he establishes an emotional connection by sharing his personal story. The fourth tip is deliver the goods. Having introduced your problems and the consequences of not addressing it, it's time to provide the solution. Make sure that your solution is clear and concise. Together, these elements do more than just introduce a positive emotional response from your viewers. The fifth tip is be conversational. Write your script as if you are speaking to one person and not an audience of thousands. While this approach may seem slightly counterintuitive, use a brain Dean example. He chooses an easy to understand language. In fact, he hardly uses any jargon that could throw his audience off. The sixth tip is introduce pattern interrupts. Pattern interrupts are an effective strategy for gaining and maintaining audience attention, especially when it comes to video marketing. They are based on neuro-linguistic programming research that shows that the human mind can help out but latch on to new ideas that are abruptly introduced. You can introduce pattern interrupt by including pauses, human or challenging the volume and pitch of your voice. Dean uses several pattern interrupts, including one of as simple as moving back and forth Conclusion. Scripts making creating YouTube easier. They provide structure, improve your presentation, and save time that would otherwise be spent trying to find the right words without one. As you develop your video script, incorporate these tips. These address some of the most challenging aspects of delivering effective and competitive videos on YouTube. But above all, remember to always put your audience first and focus on what really matters to them. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.